It's about risk. The best traders not only take the risk, they have also learned to accept and embrace that risk. There is a huge psychological gap between assuming you are a risk taker because you put on trades and fully accepting the risks inherent in each trade. When you fully accept the risks, it will have profound implications on your bottom line performance. When you learn the trading skill of risk acceptance, the market will not be able to generate information that you define or interpret as painful. If the information the market generates doesn't have the potential to cause you emotional pain, there's nothing to avoid. It is just information, telling you what the possibilities are. This is called an objective perspective, one that is not skewed or distorted by what you are afraid is going to happen or not happen.
Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Thursday, January 25th. Pre-market preparations, another trading day kickoff. I hope you listen very carefully to the opening from the Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone. If you don't know who Mark Douglas is, search on YouTube. If you never listened to Mark Douglas, search on YouTube and listen to everything he had to say. Mark Douglas, rest in peace, was my head. A profound knowledge on my psychology behind trading. Hi Moshe, hi Alon, Tomer, Eli, Nancy, Lital, thank you very much for joining this live. Did you hear the opening? Quotes from Mark Douglas. So what do we see on the chart? Tesla, 5 minutes, pre-market, going down 9%. Going down 9%. Tesla continues its sell-off. Until when? Don't be surprised, 150. Hi Leah, thank you very much for joining. Hi Ovel, Gilad, thank you very much. Let me know, how did you find the opening speech, not speech, quote from Mark Douglas? Once again, Mark Douglas, hi Itzik, you must accept that once you put on a trade, anything can happen. Anything. No one knows what will happen next. The only thing for sure, something will happen. This is why risk management is the only thing that we truly need to care about. Risk management. How much are we willing to lose on each and every trade in a series of trades? Not one trade, 2 trades, in a series of trades. 15, 20 trades. Each and every trade on this series needs to be the exact amount of how much money, not percentage, money. How much money are we willing to lose on each and every trade? Now, to make it simple, take a week. How much are you willing to lose on each and every week? How much? You have 5 days trading week. How much money? From Monday till Friday, how much money are we willing to risk? How much money are you willing to lose? This is the perspective, the point of view you need to have before entering any trading week, any trading day, any trade. For example, if you're willing to risk $1,000 each and every week, it means you're willing to risk maximum $200 each and every day. Now, how much are you willing to lose on each and every trade? For example, you're willing to lose $50 per trade. So you have $200 per day, 50 per trade. It means you can take Maximum 4 trades a day. Maximum. And it doesn't matter if those 4 trades are winning. You cannot take the 5th trade. That's it. This is your risk management. 4 trades a day. Comes the next day, you have 4 more trades to open. But be careful. If you open 4 more, it means you are now opened 8 trades, 8 positions. Are you really? Can you really handle 8 positions at once? Always think of it. Risk management. Risk management. No one knows what will happen next. If I go in Tesla now, Tesla can go 400 or can go 150. I don't know. You don't know. No one knows. But what we do know is how much are we willing to risk, whether this trade or the next trade or the next trade and the next trade. All the trades from now till the end of time. How much are you willing to risk on each? How much are you willing to lose on each and every trade? Before every trade I enter, my state of mind, I'm going to lose the next trade. I'm going to lose it for sure. This is my state of mind. I'm going to lose the trade. Not, oh, this is a perfect trade. This is a gold nugget. I'm going to win. No. I'm going to lose the next trade. I'm going to lose the next trade and the next trade after and the next trade after until the end of time. This what keeps me alert, and this what keeps me on my risk management, risk tolerance. Mark Douglas, ladies and gentlemen. Hear him out. Rest in peace. You will thank me and you will thank yourself. If you want, I can share the link for his... Wait, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Mark Douglas. Bear with me. Here it is. You need to see the whole 7 parts again and again and again, and you will thank yourself for watching this again and again and again. Believe me, it will change your mindset and becoming a better trader. Who else is with me? Gilad, Yerushalmi, Itzik, Samsung, Rotem, Aliza. You didn't hear. Go back and hear it again. Alon, CVNA, once again. What changed from yesterday? Why I don't see the chat? Now I see the chat. No chat. No chat over here. Why I don't see the chat? Go back and watch again, Leah. CVNA for Alon. Every day, CVNA, CVNA. What's the difference between yesterday? CVNA, downtrend until proven otherwise. We broke below the yellow zone. We are inside trend lines. And the new feature for the Fibonacci, we have the Fibonacci trend lines additions. Now you have more trend lines to help you make better decisions. So, until proven otherwise, CVNA, follow the road. The road is south. Lital wants lift. What's new with lift? What do you see on lift? Same thing. You have trend lines under sell pressure, under the yellow zone. When is the... You still have time for earnings, but for now, lift, downtrend until proven otherwise. 2, maximum 3 positions a day. Good, good, good. But this is just one step in risk management. How many are you willing to lose each and every trade? How are you willing to lose every week, every month. Good morning, Bill. Great to have you with us, buddy. Long time, ladies and gentlemen. Bill is an old friend. Was a student, but I found a great person. Thank you very much, Bill. Honored to have you with us. DKNG. DKNG for Itzik. What do you see? DKNG. Above the yellow zone, but careful. Too many dojis. Let's see where price might be heading. If you want to go long on DKNG, it's not the time in my opinion. If you're already long, your stop loss should be just here. You have this stop loss line. The green line is your stop loss. 37.54. No need to think. Why? Because we have the FTI version 4 B1. Why B1? And another small edition. And you have the FTI trend lines edition. So both on the chart gives you everything that you need. WRK. Let's remove all the rest. WRK, now this is a very interesting price action. Why? Look at this. You have trend lines, right? Shows you the way up since long time. June of 2023 or even May of 2023. This company is going up, but still now in the past 2 months already, month and a half, it's under a sell signal, sell pressure. This is why we are under a sell. Yesterday we got a buy signal. It doesn't mean that we need to start our long position. It just means that if you are short on WRK, it's time maybe to take some profits and maybe manage your risk a little bit more tighter, because it looks like work. 3 consecutive dojis off, bouncing off this lower trend line. Now pre-market going up to the 42, and then this buy signal will get stronger. So for now, as long as work Westrock WRK will close above the yellow zone, we are good to go to start our long position. Hi Oron. Neo. What do you say about Neo? Downtrend. Tried to break above this massive downtrend. Tried to break above the yellow zone. Both gave the price knock on the head, and price went down. Once down again. Neo under sell pressure until proven otherwise. I think you will be like this equity. I think you will be like TFC dash and owl. TFC. Trist found. Financial Corporation. Nice. Long continuation. Let's make it a little bit higher, the Fibonacci. Let's take it to the upside. Long above 38 and then 38.80, 39.80. We are past earnings. So let's, thank you very much for this. Alert above the 38. What's more, dash. Dash also very nice. Uptrend until proven otherwise. Let's check the weekly. What does the weekly say? Nice. Weekly next is 117. We need the weekly close above the 108. And as you can see, the FTI version 4 B1 works on any time frame. This is the weekly on Dash. After this run, how much is it? 130%, and still have a lot to give. Another 140% to the upside. potentially. Let's see weekly close above the 108. Let's put an alert over here. Thank you very much for Dash. IBKR for Rotem. By the way, if you want, only if you want, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with friends. Will be much appreciated. Just do it. It takes 1 millisecond of your time. Just 1 millisecond. Will be much appreciated. Only 15 likes. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. You can do better than this. Hit the like. IBKR. Uptrend. Long continuation above the 9. Nice. Long continuation above the 92. This is why we do these lives. You give me ideas. I give you ideas. We share ideas. This is how it works. Now imagine the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. All day long. All day long. During hours, day trading ideas. All day long on the swing lounge. Swing ideas. Options. All day long. All day long. So imagine the information and the knowledge that you will get from the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. If this is live and we share ideas, just imagine. Our Fibonacci-Traders elite team is growing by the day and have some pretty good traders that surpassed me, that are much better traders than me. So just imagine the information, the ideas, the knowledge that you will gain only by subscribing to the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. $59 per month. Less than your morning coffee, and you will get ideas that one idea can gain you a yearly cost subscription. Just imagine. AFRM. Uptrend. Now, under a sell signal, because we are starting to slide down, move sideways, the FTI identified that the bulls of AFRM, this is the weekly, the bulls of AFRM are getting weaker. So it means cautious. For now, careful. If you're already long on AFRM, this should be your stop loss over here. Below 38.90, get out. If you look to go long, wait for a weekly close above the 47.40. This is AFRM. What else do we have? PLTR. Not surprising. PLTR, what do you see? What does the FTI says? Downtrend channels below the yellow zone, inside the yellow zone, sell signal, no long on PLTR for now. Kobe, HM, what are your thoughts about GFI? GFI? Not a champion, just sharing what I see, share my knowledge. Hopefully it helps others become better traders, professional traders. GFI, inside the downtrend channel, got ourselves a buy signal, but in my opinion, it's too early. We need a weekly close above. Let's take the weekly. Yeah, weekly close above the 14.21, and then think about going long on GFI. Still have time to earnings. Yerushalmi, thank you very much. I appreciate the super chat. Thank you very much. It's not going unnoticed. Which stocks are win? What do you win? PayPal. PayPal. This is PayPal. Uptrend channel. But now, as you can see, we are starting to slide down, going inside the yellow zone. So your stop should be just below the yellow zone. If you're long already, your stop should be just below the yellow zone. If you're not long yet, wait to see if the weekly, let's check the weekly. Yeah, the weekly needs to close above the 68. Then you can start thinking about long on PayPal. Of course, everything you see in here is for educational purposes only. I didn't miss one, but we have so many requests. Pan W, Lital, or latest edition, not latest, I think 2 days ago, Lital joined the Fibonacci-Traders elite team. Pan W, buy signal above the yellow zone, uptrend. If you're already long on Pan W, your risk management should be just below the yellow, this green line, or below the yellow zone, the 324. If you're looking to go long on Pan W, let's wait and see a weekly close above the 351. IWB. Yesterday we talked about IWB, no? What's changed? Nothing. Still in an uptrend, long continuation above the 269, and then you have all the trend lines and the Fibonacci levels to the upside is your future risk management. What else do we have? MP. MP. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Right? Let's see. You have this yellow zone, strong resistance, failed to hold the support. Now once again resistance under a sell signal inside the downtrend channel, short below 1530, and then you have all the levels to the downside, only a weekly close above 1750, and then start considering long on MP. SFM, for my dear friend Bill, broke below the uptrend channel, broke below the yellow zone. We got ourselves a sell signal, but now pre-market looks like gained everything back. So let's see. We need a weekly close above the yellow zone, above the 50.74. And then we will still be inside this channel. As you can see on the weekly, very nice. This one needs to hold the 47.30, 47.35 in my opinion needs to be your stop loss if you're already long on SFM. Thank you very much, Bill. I see you in the premium room. Carvana. We talked about Carvana, no? We talked about Carvana, I think. Yeah, we talked about Carvana. So go back and check it out, please. Thank you. You're more welcome, Kobe. IWB and TSM. We just talked about IWB. Tower Semiconductors. What is TCM? Tower Semi. What do you see? Inside the weekly, nothing much. Daily, this 30.74. Very tough resistance. Breaking below this yellow zone, you will see 28. And then, let's take it to the downside. Below this area, below the 29, in my opinion 28, and then this gap will get filled. Tower Semiconductors, no long in my opinion. What else do we have? Rivian. What's up with Rivian lately? Same. Downtrend until proven otherwise, below the yellow zone. Short continuation below 15 towards the 14. And as long as Rivian is inside this channel, the way is south. SQ. What happened today? SQ. By the way, tomorrow no live. Tomorrow I will be off the screens. I'm traveling to Thailand. If you are in Thailand in the next month or so, give me a shout out. We will meet. Or already have 2 students. I'm going to teach there. One in the north, one in Copenhagen. So yeah, vacation, but working. SQ on the daily broke below the uptrend channel. Now this area, the 61 needs to hold, the 6180 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going 59 and 56. SQ have time until earnings. You need to look for a weekly close above. Needs to hold the 6440 on the weekly. As you can see, each and every time SQ is reaching this trend line, it's getting rejected. Not surprising. 59 and then 54 to the downside on SQ weekly. By the way, for those who don't know, this is the FTI version 4B1. This is without, and this is with. It makes our lives as technical analysts much easier. My whole knowledge that I gained in the past 7 years since I started trading, I poured in this. It's not an indicator, it's a tool to help us understand where price is heading next with more than 80% accuracy. More than 80, up to 80%, no more. Up to 80% accuracy, sorry. Up to 80% accuracy. Thank you very much, Lital. Thank you for this super chat. Thank you. Appreciate it very much. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Yerushalmi. Thank you, Zing Zong. You want Baba? Here is Baba. Downtrend until proven otherwise. One candle, a gap, and it doesn't matter how big a gap is, how big or small the candle is, we are still in a downtrend all the way. You want to go long on Baba? Wait for a weekly close above 80. For now, above 80. This is my 2 cents on Baba. Ichipiros, thank you very much for joining. Low on the weekly, low on the daily. Let's see where Lope might be heading next. Holding nicely this uptrend channel. Now, long continuation above the 128, 129, and then 133, and back to the 142. Weekly close below this yellow zone. And it's time to say goodbye for this long position. Below this one, below the 120. Goodbye to this long position. What else do we have? This is low. Let's see the futures. Where are the futures? This is Tesla. Let's see the futures. Wow, nice bounce. Which report came out? Didn't see. Broke this uptrend channel. We might get some cool off. Retesting this channel, retesting the 4882, the yellow zone, and then next leg up. Let's see who knows? Who knows? So, any other questions? Let's do MGM and save real quick. MGM long continuation above the 44, below this trend line, no long. Save will be the last one. Save. What do you see on save? Downtrend until proven otherwise, nothing much. This is save. What else do we have? Starbucks. Starbucks, downtrend until proven otherwise. Look how easy it is with the FTI version 4. You just put it on the chart and it tells you everything that you need to know. You're inside downtrend channel. You're under the yellow zone. That's it. So here we got ourselves a buy signal, we still need to think. It helps us to get better, much better decisions, but it doesn't decide instead of us. We make the decisions, and as long as we are inside the downtrend channel, below the yellow zone, downtrend until proven otherwise. So once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you found it helpful, educational. Until the next live, until the next video, stay safe.